No, it's not my version. Actually, it's not my version. You know how it started, because when we started researching, me and Meghna, for this case, and we found very bizarre, contradictory things, and each point of view has its own conviction, and so we thought that why not present all these three versions. Like if you remember a film called Rashomon. Rashomon has 3 point of views of a murder. So we have very honestly we have presented the conviction of all 3 point of views.
Completely stepping out of everything that is familiar, comfortable, and I think that's what made it so exciting and challenging. More importantly for me, the very fine line was that while working, the names were characters, but very often it would come back to me that these are actually real people, and this has happened to them. So that was a little unnerving, but it's just been fabulous.
Different versions. What happens with us, we read headlines of paper, or we listen to television, or somebody's version in the internet, and we have this tendency to believe those things. But I would say everybody has the responsibility to go beyond the headlines and do their own homework and then come to their own conclusion. We shouldn't let the headlines form your opinion, because that's what human beings are. They should be able to see their own truth. Our journey is about finding our own truth. And this, when I read this, Vishal Sahab said, please read this script, and I was shooting somewhere and he sent me this. And there was all versions of different versions of the story, but still there was so powerful emotion which was coming out of the story. So, and that was, that was something which compelled me to do this film. And I really want to congratulate Meghna, the way she has, this kind of immense pain and consistency and perseverance it must have taken for her to come up with this, and the way Vishal Sahab has shaped the story.
I found it very interesting as a performer, because like we said, we have it's an investigative thriller. We have shown various aspects of this particular investigation. There are times, there are versions of the film where of this investigation where the parents are believed to be innocent, or they're believed to be guilty, or someone else is believed to be guilty. So one has to play it in many different ways. So of course, as a performer, it was very interesting. It was very challenging. It was very layered. That was interesting for me. But also, I think that it's important because, this should never happen again. If some kind of a crime is committed, against a young girl, we should never be in this position ever again, where we don't know, where the evidence is so compromised, where we don't know, where there's no, where justice has not been served. This has been a travesty. And that is why the film is important. And that's why it's become controversial, because if the 13-year-old girl dies, you should know what's going on, and you should therefore punish the people who are guilty. So this should never happen again. Hopefully we'll never have to make a film like this again.
It has already made difference. Now it is supposed to make difference to your life. When I read the story, there was a revelation for me that it grabbed me emotionally, and it gave me a kind of operating system, the way in a system different departments operate, and that's what I came to know through this film, and I lived that film, this story. Now it's it has to do whatever it has to do to you.
जी नहीं, मुझे ऐसा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी, क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट में ऐसा कुछ था नहीं जी. जब स्क्रिप्ट लेवल पे एक इंटेग्रिटी कायम हो जाती है, तो वही फिल्म में दिखाई देती है, और उससे मेरा काम बहुत आसान हो जाता है, क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट इतनी पावरफुल थी और उसमें इतनी मजबूत इंटेग्रिटी थी. और फिर उसके बाद जब इस तरह के परफॉर्मर्स फिल्म में आते हैं, एक्टर्स इस तरह के, जो खुद भी बहुत ही इतने सेंसिटिव होते हैं कि दे आर ऑल्सो ट्रेडिंग दैट वेरी थिन लाइन वेरी केयरफुली, सो एवरीथिंग देन फॉल्स इनटू प्लेस. सो बाकी और कुछ हो ना हो, इस फिल्म की एक जो नीयत है जिसको कहते हैं, वो सही है.